no way they got a fucking album.
That's their album. Dude, I cannot believe that.
Somebody's recording them in the back.